पोरण्या गोंयांत आशिल्ले बेकायदेशीर बांदकाम मोडचे म्हूण आंदोलन करीत आशिल्ल्या आंदोलकांक थाकाय दिवपी गजाल सामकार आयल्या. केंद्रीय मंत्री जी किशन रेड्डी हाणें तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचे खासदार महुआ मोइत्राक पत्रा वरवीं हे बांदकाम बेकायदेशीर आसून ते मोडपाचे आदेश ASIन जारी केल्यात अशी माहिती दिली. हे बांदकाम पुर्विल्ले स्मारक आनी पुरातत्वीय थळांत आशिल्ले अवशेश कायदो 1958च्या तरतुदी खाला सिद्ध जाल्ल्याचे ह्या पत्रांत स्पश्ट केलां. ही घडणूक सामकार आयले उपरांत भाजपाचो मणियारो सावियो रॉड्रिगीजान ह्या निर्णयाक येवकार दिला.
In a letter to the Member of Parliament from the Trinamool Congress, Mahua Moitra, Union Minister for Tourism G. Kishan Reddy, on the illegal bungalow case at Old Goa stated, I have got the matter examined and would like to inform you that the ASI has issued a demolition order against the illegal construction on 16th August 2022 under the provisions of the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act of 1958. The important word in this letter is demolition and illegal construction. The ASI itself has found this to be an illegal construction. Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy has replied with this information, which clearly indicates that all evidences that have come to light show that the construction in Old Goa is illegal and the bungalow is illegal. Therefore, as per the law, it has to be demolished.